I'm John Evans, running the Black Boy Inn in Caernarfon, which is a family-run business. We've been here, or owned it, for about 10 years. And we've also owned a number of other establishments throughout North Wales over those years. And I would say our emphasis is on local trade or anybody really. We welcome everybody into the inn, as long as they behave. We have overnight accommodation here. The Black Boy is quite unique really, is that it offers all three parts of the trade, which is what an old coaching inn was about. The beer, the bed and the food. There are 10 different room types here, doubles, singles, twins, executive doubles, suites with little mini kitchens. And that makes the place work really. You could stay here 10 nights in a row and wake up and knowing exactly you're in a different room every night. It's not box standard, and that's what the Black Boy is about really. Everything, if we can, is sourced locally. Obviously, common sense dictates that some items have to be bought in, but the majority, I think one of our main butchers has a saying, if he doesn't see it growing on his field, he won't sell it. And I think that's a very good ethos for what we do. As much as we can, we do buy locally. The coach house, which is at the rear or across the patio area in the Black Boy, will seat with ease a conference of 25 to 30. For a full sit-down meal, it will sit about 50 people. There's free Wi-Fi there, there's a big screen there, all central heated, it's got skylights, it can be blacked out if need be. Local beers are brought from Porthmadog, Pwllheli. There are a number of small brewers now operating in these areas, and of course our locals prefer maybe those tastes to some of the corporate brands that are out there, and it's certainly worked for us. Our draft or cask ale sales have gone up dramatically in the last few years, and let's hope that continues. When you wake up in the morning here, you know you're in the Black Boy. We're not a corporate brand by any sense. Everything here is unique to the Black Boy. The quirkiness of it, the small rooms, which give it that friendly, homely feel. And it's back to the roots. It's not somewhere where we push beer down people just for the sake of selling it. You come out here for a drink to have a conversation, or the conversation and a drink. We have a continual renovation and development programme at the Black Boy, and sometimes that means going back to the beginning to keep them maintain those standards. As you'll see that when you come here, there are a number of rooms, all of different variety, and the later ones have mini kitchens with them, which give a more greater flexibility, I would say, for the customer to decide whether they want to eat in-house or actually cook their own, or take a takeaway, which a lot of people do on long-term lets.